friends, Grok has now become a paid tool, but don't worry. Today, I'll show you how you can still use it for free. After that, I'll also share 2 powerful and completely free websites that you can use to create amazing AI videos easily and professionally.
Oh yes,
But before that, take a look at this channel. First, watch their videos. Millions of views, 0.4 million, 2.1 million, 2.5 million, and even one video with 19 plus million views. As you can see, this channel is getting huge results, and the content is very impressive. The best part? Yes, this channel is monetized, and you can also see the earnings, around $934 last month. So yes, you can absolutely create similar videos and achieve the same results. Now you've seen the potential, these kinds of videos can be created easily. Today, I'm going to give you a complete guide on how to do it step by step.
Will you marry me? Yes, oh yes I will.
If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Now, let's get started and learn how to create these types of videos. Before we start, if you want to watch this video in your own language, just click on Settings, then go to Audio Track. There you will find many languages like Arabic, French, German, Hindi, Japanese, Korean, Tamil, Telugu, Spanish, Russian, and more. 20 plus languages available. Simply select your preferred language and enjoy the video. Now, let's get started. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT. After opening it, I will give you a prompt in the YouTube comment section. You'd download it. You just need to copy that prompt. Once you copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT and paste it. Then write this line. Look at these prompts and give me 5 best ideas. After that, ChatGPT will generate 5 best ideas for you. You can see them easily. For example, if I type 4, it will generate the 4th idea, including the story and image prompts. You can use them according to your needs. Now, for the second method, again, copy the prompt and then copy the line below it. After that, paste it and write. Look at these prompts, and I want to create videos exactly like them. Please give me 7 image prompts and also provide video prompts for each so I can turn them into videos. Once you paste this, ChatGPT will generate both image prompts, video prompts. This will help you a lot. You can simply copy and paste these prompts and your video will be ready easily. Now, what's next? Next, we will create images. After that, I will show you how to use free AI tools to turn those images into videos. To create images, first open Leonardo.ai. After opening the website, simply copy the prompts. Next, click on the image option in Leonardo.ai. Once you click it, a new interface will appear on your screen. Here, set the image size to 9:16, or you can choose any size you prefer. After that, go to the model section and select Phoenix 0.0 or Phoenix 1.0. Now, copy the first prompt. I will provide all the prompts in your YouTube comment section so you can easily download them from there. Use that prompt and paste it into the prompt box. I will also paste 2 prompts as an example. After that, continue copying and pasting the prompts one by one. As you can see, the images will start generating automatically, and soon your images will be ready. Simply keep copying prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them into Leonardo.ai, and your images will keep generating automatically. As you can see, the images are now created. If your Leonardo.ai credits run out, you can use PicLumen instead. PicLumen is a very good website for free AI image generation, where you can easily create AI images without cost. You can click on PicLumen and open it. I have already explained how to use PicLumen in my previous video, so you can watch that for guidance. Now, let's move forward. Next, we will create an AI voice using unlimited AI tools with text-to-speech, such as 11 Labs. Here, you can easily generate an AI voice for free. The prompt you copied from ChatGPT just needs to be pasted here. After that, you can select any voice you like, for example, Alex, or any other available voice. Once you have selected the voice, go to the settings and choose the style according to your content, such as motivational or storytelling. Then paste your prompt and click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI voice will be ready, as you can see. Now let's talk about background music. The channel we are following also uses background music, so we will do the same. Open YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. After that, open the audio library. Here you will find a lot of free music tracks. You can play any track and choose the one you like. For example, play a music track, and if you like it, simply download it. Then you can use that music as background music in your video. Now, I will show you how to set it properly in your video. I will also tell you how to use Grok for free, but first I will explain the website where you can create videos for free. First website is called Digen.ai. It is a very amazing and powerful website. It gives you 300 credits at the start, with which you can create around 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits, so you can easily continue making AI videos. Right now, you can see I have 3,100 plus credits. This is because my account has been logged in for a long time, so I have received a good amount of credits. With these credits, I can create a lot of videos easily. If you want to make more AI videos, then Digen.ai is a very good option for you. The benefit is that even if you don't use it for a while, it still gives you daily credits automatically, just like in my account. So overall, it is a very useful website for creating AI videos easily and consistently. Now we will create AI videos on this platform. First, click on Create. After that, go to the Upload section. Here you will first upload your image. Then take the first image prompt and paste it in the prompt box. After that, click on Generate. The video will start creating automatically. In the same way, upload the second image as well. Then paste the second prompt and again click on Generate. This will start creating the next part of the video. This process may take some time, but it is very simple. In this way, you can also create 2 videos together on this platform. With this method, you can easily make 10 to 15 minutes long videos without any difficulty. The second website where you can create videos is called Gemini Gen AI. It's a very good platform and you can use Grok for free on it. Now, how to use it is very important. Many people use it but get confused when their videos don't generate quickly. So let me explain it step by step. First, you need to select Grok 3. After selecting Grok Free, copy your prompt. Then choose the video size. You can keep it at 16:9 or any size you prefer. After that, select the duration, how many seconds you want your video to be. Next, paste your prompt and simply click Generate. It may take a little time, but after a short wait, your video will be ready. And the result is really amazing. In the same way, you can paste another prompt and generate more videos. Now, there is one common issue. Sometimes it keeps loading and spinning, but the video doesn't appear. If this happens to you, don't worry. Just click on the Go to History option. Once you click there, you can directly access your generated videos. As you can see, the videos are already ready there. So even if it keeps loading, don't panic. Just go to the History section and your video will be available. That's how you can easily create videos using this method. In the last step, I will edit the video using CapCut, which is a very good software for video editing. It is easy to use, shy, and packed with many features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will place my video and start editing it. In CapCut, I can also add background music according to my choice. It depends on me how I want to set the audio and video settings. I can also use different effects to make the video more attractive and engaging. In this way, I will complete my full video editing process, add effects, and finalize everything. Now my video is ready. Thank you for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to the video, you can message me in the comments and I will reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method. Thanks for watching.